working hard, we're pushing through, building dreams, we're breaking through. From the factories to the assembly lines, we're the builders of a better time. Every weld, every tool in hand, we're the ones who help us land. We'll rise above, won't be denied, gonna bring our manufacturing to new heights. Rise up, Australia, let's make it real. Together, we'll show what we can achieve. The heartbeat of this nation, strong and true. Rise up, Australia, we're counting on you. Every weld, every tool in hand, we're the ones who help us land. We'll rise above, won't be denied, gonna bring our manufacturing to new heights.
Today has been a fantastic opportunity to discuss the challenges that are facing our manufacturing industry.
Let's make it
I think a lot of newcomers to the industry really want to get the most out of their work. They place a lot of value on the experience and skills that they're earning on the job. So that might be access to training and education while learning, or employee benefits like tools or equipment.
It's good to see that there is change being made and making life a little bit easier, and that I'm not going to be one of the only young guys floating around on the shop floor when all of my mentors retire. For me, it's more so getting people out and about and letting them know that it actually exists. So much of my former years, I didn't even know if being a fitter and turner existed, and I only learnt that after spending time at BlueScope Steel.
Let's make it real. Together, we'll show what we can achieve. The heartbeat of this nation, strong and true. Rise up, Australia, we're counting.
Yeah, this event is a great national event. I was here last year, and it's great to see the interest, particularly given all the policy changes that have occurred over the last year. It's a good opportunity to get everyone in the same room and discuss manufacturing skills. Yeah, it's great to be part of a growing industry at the moment. I see the evolution over the next 10 years, really being about diversity in the sector, from both a female perspective, but also bringing in other diverse and multicultural avenues. I also see the way in which the qualifications work changing. So we'll see, I think, a lot more integration between some vocational, micro-credentials and higher education, which will provide great pathways for those that start in the industry as apprentices.
Let's make it real.
I'd really like to see a advertising campaign showing the complexities and the great things that we've got going in manufacturing at the moment there. I think a lot of people really are in the dark about it and think that as soon as the car industry went offshore, that we haven't got anything here. We've got a great base of manufacturers here, and I think it just needs to be highlighted to the general public.